In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem where your shift lock isn't working in Roblox. The first thing you need to do is open the Roblox application. Then click on the Roblox icon located in the top left corner. Next, select Settings from the top navigation bar. First, make sure that the shift lock switch is turned on. However, if you see a message that says By Developer and you're unable to toggle it, that means the shift lock feature has been disabled for this specific game by the developer. Once you've turned it on, scroll down to Movement Mode and make sure that Keyboard plus Mouse is selected. After doing that, save your changes and check to see if the issue is resolved. If it's still not working, you'll need to take one more step. Open your Start menu, search for Settings, and open the Settings window. On the left-hand side, select Gaming, then click on Game Bar. Sometimes, having the Game Bar enabled can interfere with the Shift Lock feature in Roblox. To fix this, simply turn off the Game Bar option. After that, restart your computer. Once your computer has restarted, go back to Roblox and check again. Your shift lock should now be working properly. And that's it, guys! If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.